In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add single select and multi-select options in Airtable. These two field types are perfect for turning free-form text into clean, consistent choices. Single select lets you choose exactly one option from a list, great for statuses like to do, in progress, or done. Multiple select allows more than one choice at a time, which is ideal for tags, categories, or skills. Let's set them up together. First, head to the Airtable website and sign in. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table where you want to work. In your grid, click the column header where you want these options to live. This is the field you'll convert into a select list. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Field or Customize Field, depending on what you see in your interface. In the Field Type dropdown, select either Single Select or Multiple Select. If you're unsure which to use, ask yourself whether each record should have just one value, like a single status, or potentially several values, like multiple tags. Pick the one that matches how you plan to use the data. Now it's time to add your list of options. Type each option name, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done, and press Enter after each one to add it to the list. Keep your naming consistent and easy to scan. Short, clear labels work best, and sticking to the same capitalization helps with readability. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always come back to this field later to rename options or adjust the list. When your options look right, click Save. That applies the field type and your choices to the column. To start using it, click any cell in that column. You'll see a drop-down of the options you created. For single select, choose the one option that fits the record. For multiple select, you can select more than one, and you can remove an option later if it no longer applies. As you work, you'll notice how much cleaner and more consistent your data becomes, which makes filtering, grouping, and reporting far more reliable. A quick tip: as your table grows, try to keep the option list focused. Too many similar choices can introduce confusion, while a concise set of well-named options keeps your workflow smooth. And if your needs change, you can always revisit the field settings to refine the list. That's it. Go ahead and set up your selects and enjoy the clarity they bring to your Airtable base.